So hello and welcome back to Learning MD. So many of you have been asking me regarding the remote control of the actual smart TV device. So essentially, if you don't, I'm going to tell you real quick. You've got here this device which connects via HDMI to your TV and it converts it into a smart TV. Here you've got the USB-C and essentially it's just an item you can buy almost in any shop, and you just buy it and you pay $40 and you've got your smart TV forever. So you do not have to pay any subscription, any actual monthly fee, just the actual price of this device. But then you've also got this remote control which comes with it. It doesn't really matter if you like this remote control, you can buy other ones. It's just the one that comes with it. Here you've got the volume settings, and obviously you can configure YouTube, Netflix, HBO. Evidently, if you want Netflix or HBO, you have to pay a premium as you would if you want the YouTube premium device, no? So you would pay a premium if you want these actual apps, but in general you've got a smart TV and that's essentially just the price of the actual device. So as you can see, HDMI, USB-C to your actual power, and here you've got the actual remote control. If you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below, and thank you very much for watching.